Meaning of deputy.
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 Deputy. A deputy is a person appointed or elected to take the place of another in carrying out specific duties or responsibilities. Deputies are often used in government or law enforcement, where they act as substitutes for higher-ranking officials and perform tasks on their behalf. They can also serve as assistants or understudies in other professions, such as business or entertainment. Essentially, deputies are individuals who are authorized to act in a representative capacity, carrying out the duties of another person or organization with the same level of authority and responsibility as the original individual.